guys, August 23rd, 2021. This is where I got a call from a lady. I think I've worked for her before. She says she's got a garbage disposal that just stopped working. So I'm gonna go over there and show you how to check these garbage disposals and seeing if there's an Allen set key on the bottom where you could, if it gets bound up, you could free it up back and forth, and there's also a reset on the bottom. Most of them have a reset. Sometimes if it gets, you get something stuck in there, could be anything, and then the reset will trip. So then you got to free it up, get it working again, and hit the reset button. A lot of times you can bring them back to life. Well, we'll see what we can do, see if we get any shots there. I don't even know what kind it is. She called me yesterday, Sunday, and it's Monday morning. So we're gonna go over there and see if we can either get it going or change it out or rip it out. One of the three options she's got. Most of the time I can get them going. They come with a special wrench that goes right in the bottom of it. I got extras in my kit, so. We did have a storm yesterday, but it missed us. It came into Rhode Island, and then it took a left into Connecticut. So we got a little bit of rain, but nothing, a little bit of wind, but nothing crazy because the storm missed me. They didn't know if it was going to come up straight and hook or go straight, but it went up and turned, so good for me. Try to get you some shots. Where's the switch? Right there. Well, it's all wet. Look at that. That's the switch, huh?
Yeah.
It's kind of an odd thing. All right, let's see what's going on. Did you drop something down in there, or you're not sure?
I don't think so. I guess they didn't last forever.
There's a little reset button on the bottom there that was tripped.
Oh, must have been from the dish pan, I guess.
I'm going to show it to you. But that's it. It was just a little reset button on the bottom there. Sometimes they get blocked. You want to look under there and you'll see a little red button? Go ahead, go look under there.
Okay.
You see it. You see it popped out, but I had pushed it back in.
Yeah.
There's also an Allen key right in the middle.
Okay.
Can you see underneath that little red button?
Oh, over here.
Yeah, that's the reset. And there's also an Allen key right in the middle. If there's something that gets stuck in there, you can move it back and forth.
Oh.
There should be an Allen key here somewhere with the stuff that came with it.
Oh, yeah. Somewhere.
Right here.
Yeah.
See this key?
Yeah.
That goes right in the bottom, and you can move it back and forth to loosen up anything that gets stuck in there. Okay?
Mm-hmm. Okay, now
Okay, what do we owe you for today?
Oh, it's going to be a service call for coming out here, unfortunately.
Mm-hmm.
But at least you don't need a new garbage disposal, right?
Well, that's for sure.
I don't like this thing how it gets all wet, but it's still working. It's almost like you can get shocked from it.
Well, that's where I put it.
Yeah, it's kind of slimy, no?
Yeah, now.
You don't worry about it? See how it's called kind of black stuff coming out of there?
Can you fix it?
Give it a little cleaning.
We're not going to get sick with anything, or we're not going to get any.
No.
I definitely wouldn't be picking my nose after I did it, that's for sure. Just kind of an odd spot to have it, you know? It's just an on-off switch. I'd give it a good cleaning.